Yeah, I'll have a venti iced coffee with 3 pumps of vanilla and 2 pumps of caramel syrup.
Iced coffee with 3 pumps of vanilla and 2 pumps of caramel?
Yeah, and then I'll have light cream in that as well. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so update. I have come to a solution with the rug in my room. I've come to a solution. It's not the best idea to have this rug out here so he can soil it and get it dirty. That one I don't really care about because that was like secondhand from, you know, someone's house and it doesn't really matter. But this rug I just bought at Home Goods not too long ago, and if you kind of see, there's a couple yellow stains from where he made some accidents in here that he shouldn't have been doing, right buddy? Look at you with your little paws crossed like you've done nothing. You are just too much, man. So this rug, I plan on putting it into my, look, another spot right there. And that will, oh my God, you've just been busy out here, huh? I plan on moving my rug into my bedroom over there. I feel like that'll kind of work better. And that way I can close my door at night. And if he's out here during the nighttime, at the very minimum, because he loves this rug, I know he'll miss it. At the very minimum though, he can just, if he has an accident, which I highly try and stop it, I crate him if I feel like he may need to use the, you know, the potty or whatever. If he does have one, at least I can just mop it up and clean it off the floor without my rug being tarnished any further, because I really like this rug, guys. I want to like spot clean it really well, and I see you're trying to get my attention. I see you're trying to get attention, man. I see you're trying to get attention. I know, you're so happy because it worked. It worked for you. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm using this carpet spot and stain remover, and then I'm going to kind of spritz the whole rug with this Febreze, come on, focus, pet odor eliminator spray, which I think will really make it smell nice in here as well. And then I'm going to kind of scrub out the stains, obviously, with this. So here we go. And just pretty much just hitting anywhere where I see a little bit of yellow. Let me actually open up the curtain so I can see better. Look at my poor plants, guys. These are literally dying. Oh my gosh. I need to water these so badly and hopefully like save them, but I like have neglected them so much. Anyways, that's a lot better. I'm going to just... Okay guys, so a quick show and tell. I'm about to go to bed. I'm just getting this prepped. I waited super long. It's about 10 o'clock now, so it's time to get this started. I ran to Stop and Shop and I got some slow cooker mix, you know what I mean? I've never heard of this brand. I usually use McCormick stuff. And I bought, let's see, some stew meat. Not too bad on the price either. So we're going to season, or I'm going to season this up. So it's nice and juicy and tender. And so there's that. Have some onions, potato. I'm really low on potato, but we'll try and make it work. I bought some mushrooms. I feel like that's going to taste really good cooked down in there. And then I bought a package of cut green beans just for some added green, ness in there. A little bit of veggie will not hurt anything. So we are adding that as well. So I honestly don't have a lot of time to show you guys the final product. So I'm just going to quickly show you because I really like how this came out. First off, I only put this on for 45 minutes. That seems like really short amount of time, but I've done research, and for pressure cookers, you really don't need to use a lot of time on food. So that's what I did, and I'm very happy I did that because everything came out very, very good. Let me put on the light so you guys can see it. Okay, so you guys can now see everything in there, and it just came out so good. And I tasted a little bit of it in there, and like the mushrooms are like the perfect texture, and then the meat is just, it's falling apart. Like, it's just so juicy. So yeah, that's what, the product of that is. It's just, it's like a stew almost. So if you wanted to put rice, some white rice, and then just kind of top it with this, that would be perfect. I didn't think to cook rice. There's so much of it, so I think I'm going to cook a little bit of white rice while I'm working, and then take a little bit of this for work, so I have something to munch on. So super delicious, and just a great way to just cook something very easily and quickly.